Hey, I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics, and today we are going to set up the RC-4A for use with a computer or a mobile device. Technology has unlocked a world of convenience. The RC-4A relay controller from Viking Electronics is a simple way to control relay-activated devices at the touch of a button. This video will show you how to program an RC-4A and then set up a shortcut to use with your computer, desktop, or a mobile device. Before we dive in, if you're not subscribed to the Viking Electronics YouTube channel, hit subscribe and then hit the bell so you get all of our latest releases. Alright, let's dive in. To access the RC-4A's interface, you need network access to the RC-4A either locally or remotely. Open your web browser and type in the static IP address assigned to the RC-4A and click here for access. A login window will pop up. The default username is admin, and the default password is Viking with no capital letters. Hit enter to log into the main page of the RC-4A's interface. This dashboard displays input status and relay output status, indicated by these red relay toggle buttons. It also shows timed relay activation length in seconds and a start button to trigger a timed relay activation. Down in the bottom left, click on Settings, scroll down, and click on Security. Here, you can change the username and password for administrators and guest users. Leave the basic authentication box unchecked unless your network IT professional has said otherwise. Before leaving this page, hit Apply to save the updated username and password, and then click on Settings. This is one of my favorite things about the RC-4A. Marty and the rest of our engineering team did a great job of making the RC-4A's labeling extremely flexible for different applications. These fields can be affiliated with devices in access control, lights, alarms, electronics, anything that can be controlled by a Form C relay contact. Replace these generic input names by clicking inside the text field and typing in a description. Hit Tab to move to the next box without clicking. Status phrasing identifies what's going on when an input is open or closed. If the input is connected to access control using a door strike, open can be phrased as locked and closed as unlocked. Do the same thing here under the relay names field to enter a description for each relay output. The closure times field determines the length of a timed activation of each relay before deactivating. This duration can be set from 0 to 99 seconds. These last two boxes affect what a guest user sees or has access to when logged in. If a guest user has permission to trigger a timed release of the front door lock and nothing else, then uncheck the input visibility and relay control boxes next to 1, 2, and 4, and uncheck the function control boxes next to toggle relays and edit activation time. Hit Apply to save the changes, then click Return to Main Page to view the updated dashboard. Everything is updated and ready to go. To save a desktop shortcut on your computer, in Chrome, click these three vertical dots in the upper right-hand corner of the browser. Mouse over More Tools, and you will see the Create Shortcut option. Name your shortcut and click Create. There is now a desktop shortcut that opens to the user interface of the RC-4A. To save a shortcut on an iPhone, open Safari, type in the static IP address of the RC-4A, enter the username and password, hit the share icon at the bottom of the screen, and find Add to Home Screen and tap it. To save a shortcut on an Android is very similar. Open Chrome, and type in the static IP address. Enter the username and password. Tap on the three dots in the upper right-hand corner and tap on Add to Home Screen. And there you have it. Now that you've watched the video about setting up the RC-4A, let us know in the comments section if you have any tips or tricks or additional questions after watching the video. I'm Andrew with Viking Electronics. I'll see you next time.